Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Don't let go.
Premonition. Linda Hansen has an idyllic life until one day she receives word that her husband has died in an auto accident. However, when Linda wakes up the next morning and finds Jim beside her, she assumes she has just had an unusually vivid dream. Soon she finds out that what she experienced was not a dream, and she must battle time and destiny to save her family.
Hide and seek. Frequency. Tusk. When his best friend and podcast co-host goes missing in the backwoods of Canada, a young guy joins forces with his friend's girlfriend to search for him.
Stonehearst Asylum. A new employee at a mental hospital becomes attracted to one of his colleagues, but he is unaware of a recent, horrifying change in staff.
The Conjuring. In 1970, paranormal investigators and demonologists Lauren and Ed Warren are summoned to the home of Carolyn and Roger Perron. The parents and their 5 daughters have recently moved into a secluded farmhouse where a supernatural presence has made itself known. Though the manifestations are relatively benign at first, events soon escalate in horrifying fashion, especially after the Warrens discover the house's macabre history.
Tell us in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions you might have. Thanks and see you soon!